kneeling down at the old wooden cross, praying for strength when the world feels lost. Troubled times weigh heavy on our hearts, but we won't surrender. We'll make a new start, pouring out our souls, let the tears flow free. In the warmth of the campfire, we find sanctuary. Our voices rise up like a candle in the night. We're seeking His guidance, looking for the light. In this world full of darkness and despair, we come together, we find love and care. At the feet of the cross, we lay our burdens down. We pour out our hearts, our sorrow. Campfire at the cross, warming our souls. We sing to the heavens with voices uncontrolled. In this sacred moment, we find strength and relief. Campfire at the cross, where our faith finds belief. The flames flickering, shadows dancing in the night. As we come to the cross, let the fire ignite. In the sacred place, our sorrows we release, seeking His help, finding comfort and peace. Gather around the fire, I'm feeling the heat. Campfire at the cross, where joy's complete. Got my troubles, gotta let 'em go in the